Hey Storm Shielders, I'm meteorologist Jason Myers. Today is Wednesday, May 28th. Yesterday was kind of an interesting day as far as severe weather went, kind of scattered all across the area. A tornado touchdown in western South Dakota, another tornado in southwestern Oklahoma, and a very small tornado in looks like eastern Louisiana. All of these were very, very small, and then quite a few wind reports up and down the East Coast with a system moving its way through there. Today we have a couple of different things really going for us as far as that severe weather is concerned. Some heavy rain this morning, quite a bit of thunderstorm activity in parts of Louisiana, really right along the Gulf Coast. This is going to fire up again later this afternoon, and that could create the potential for some severe weather. And then we have another upper level system that's going to be working its way through Montana today. Nothing much going on, but we're going to start to see some thunderstorm activity in western Montana. But once it makes it to the eastern part of the state, that's where we could see some strong winds, some large hail, and some potentially even a few tornadoes in the northeastern corner of Montana here in the northwestern corner of North Dakota, but that won't happen until later this evening. Right now, really all eyes are on the coast right here, the Gulf Coast in Louisiana. Actually, let's just go straight to the models. Check that out right now. And the models, at least the latest model runs, they're running pretty well along with what's happening right now, but as we head through the afternoon, we start to see all of that continuing to work its way east. The biggest threat down here is still going to be some strong winds and large hail. And as we get closer to the afternoon, we're going to see some more redevelopment in the Louisiana area, working its way into parts of Mississippi. It's not until the late evening hours we start to see some thunderstorm activity in northern Montana right there. And this really is where we're going to see the greatest risk for some severe weather. In Louisiana, winds, some hail, and definitely looking at some heavy wind or heavy rain right now. There's that slight risk in northern Montana, northwest North Dakota, and then another slight risk along the Gulf Coast in Louisiana and Mississippi. Hail, fairly large, small threat along the Gulf Coast, a little bit better in northern Montana. Wind is going to be a little bit better threat, so you can see the biggest threat with the severe weather along the Gulf Coast is definitely wind, and then again some wind threats in parts of Montana and North Dakota. But look at this tornado, 10% risk of some tornado activity in really extreme northern Montana. So we're going to see that later on this evening and into the overnight hours. Tornado activity along the Gulf Coast pretty minimal, but one or two can't be ruled out. New Orleans, looks like Baton Rouge, you're right on the edge of that. So that's really what we're looking at today. The Gulf Coast, northern Montana, North Dakota. For the Gulf Coast, you're looking at heavy rains right now. This is going to last through the day and then refiring later this afternoon for that potential severe weather with really some wind, possibly a tornado. And then in Montana, you're not seeing much right now, but you are going to start to see things late this evening and into the early overnight hours was when things will start firing up. So it could be getting close to dark once those things do start firing up. Keep Storm Shield handy. It can wake you up if a tornado warning does occur while you're sleeping. And follow us on Twitter and on Facebook. We'd appreciate it. Like and subscribe to the video. I'll see you next time.